Today, let's look at how you can add images. Alright, so you're still using the same code, we're just making more editing to it. You want to add images right below this. First of all, if you want to add an image, your Flutter application, you need to create for it a directory up here by putting them. So just click on my application up there. I right click. So I'm adding the directory just to the topmost, the root of my project. So I'm looking for a directory. So I'm going to name this directory assets. So that's where I'm going to be keeping my images. So next I'll be getting my images and I paste them right there. I have my image on the desktop here. I just copy that. I just copy this image. So I come to my project. Then I just click on this. I right click on it and I paste it there. Alright, so my image is Latson, okay. So I click OK. So I can double check here. Well, my image is already there. That's great. So next we shall scroll down to pubspec.yaml file. So for those of you who may not be able to see it, I just click on your project and you're supposed to click on project files. That's when you'll be able to see everything straight. You can see that my assets is right there. So I'm supposed to move to pubspec.yaml file. So this pubspec helps us to add on dependencies and adding on some customization to my applications. Alright, so for today we are looking at assets. We want to add images. So I'm just coming to this asset. So first I'm just going to uncomment this. So I delete this comment. Alright. So I can also comment this. I delete all this. 1, 2, and even this I delete it. Okay. But for now I just need one of them. I'm not adding multiple images. So I just need one image. Alright. So the folder where our image is located is called assets. Alright, call it assets. Then what is our image file? Our image file from here. Sorry, from assets. Our image file is called latson.jpg. Just go and type here latson.jpg. Just go and remove that E. Okay, so after doing editing to our pubspec.yaml file, we just come to click on get dependencies and it's going to add on the changes. So I click on that. Let me increase this so you can see that it has been added. So I can go back now to my main.dat file. Okay, so in my file I want to add the image right below here. So what do I do? So just come at our last text widget. So this is the syntax for adding image. So image, type the word image with capital I, and I open the bracket. Okay, so put that right there. So here I'm going to have image full colon. So then I'll have asset image, and inside I put the path of our image. Assets, then our image file is called latson.jpg. I put a comment there. So this is how we add local images on our file. So now hot reload this, I should be able to see the changes here. Wow, my image is right there. So that's how we add local images to our file. If you want to add web image, this is what it's supposed to do. You just type here image. Okay, so here I shall now be dealing with network images. Network image, and inside you just copy and you paste the URL of that given image. Whatever the case may be, let me say HTTP, something of the sort. So I'm just making an assumption that that's my URL. Well guys, so that's how we add local and network images. So for now, let's keep it to that local.